name's Sophia.
My name's Natalia.
And we're going to be making slime today. So today we are going to be making slime with this slime kit. It includes 2 clear glues, 5 glitter glue pens, and 2 bottles of magic liquid, which the magic liquid is actually the activator.
Trying to get all of my colors.
I'm trying to make a teal, like a lightish teal, because I'm gonna mix
Instead, I'm making purple, but I'm taking blue after. Instead, I am having gold and
yeah, and I'm trying to make like a teal. The green and the blue will mix together to make the teal, and then I'm hoping that the silver will lighten it and also give it it will get more sparkly.
But I'm making purple, but I'm just having red by now. But Sophia's going to use blue in a second, but I'm gonna have red by now.
She's gonna have blue after me.
Yeah, because I'm trying to make purple.
And who's gonna use the gold?
Raffy.
Okay, get to work.
Wait, I don't know how to do it. Is there instructions?
It's on the back of the packet.
Okay, read them out.
So, so we need the glue. Wait, what? No. So, pour out the entire, Natalia, we're gonna have to do it this way.
Oh.
Oh, it's already open.
I gotta pour
Ready?
it in.
I can hear it. It's like a.
Mine is like a fake sound.
I'm gonna. Still a tiny bit, but I can't. Okay. It's gonna get out soon.
Oh, I made a bubble.
Oh!
Activator.
No.
This is.
So now I'm putting in the colors.
Raffy's watching what's happening.
Ah! But do I have to put in the whole thing? Wait.
As much as you want.
Depends how many colours you use.
How much colour you want as well.
I'm making a teal, so maybe Natalia needs some blue as well.
And then use half.
I'll use, I don't know how much half is.
Well, just use some, then you can always add more later.
Ah! Natalia, I got you, wait, maybe a little bit more.
My turn.
Okay, so I'm opening the green because I'm trying to make a teal, like I said before. And I can use, I think I'm gonna use like this much. I think that's okay. Okay, because I need to add like the same amount of color as it now for silver. I might do a little. I can't really silver. Okay, I think that might be a lot. Here's just mixing. Oh, Natalia, look at mine. I think I might need a bit more color. I do. Natalia, can I use a bit more blue?
No.
Oh, Natalia, I need a little bit.
Can I have some?
Pour it all out.
Oh, a gigantosaurus blob.
I don't actually need a green.
It's not coming out.
There we go.
Okay. I think that's enough silver for now. I'm not going to add any more.
Why mix it?
Mixing it again. Mix it.
Popsicle stick.
With a popsicle stick.
Ooh.
That is so pretty. The color.
That kind of looks like a light bluey.
Oh, wow.
That is teal.
I'm going to make like a bit more green.
That's all the green that you can
Help you squeeze more out.
I thought that was blue. Yeah. Mix it, mix it.
You can throw that one out. Ruffy can play with it. Oh, it's like a greenish color. It's not turning teal, but like it's a really pretty color. It might take a... I just need to mix it.
And after that, we need activator.
Natalia, why don't you use the red and the gold in yours?
Why can't
But I
you?
don't want the sunlight's pointing to mine.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god. Okay, I think I'm gonna add.
Why is it pointing to
And
mine?
now you pour the activator out slowly.
How much?
I think it says the whole bottle.
Add 1 bottle. So maybe the whole one.
Yeah, just do it slowly while you mix it. Just do it slowly a little bit and then keep mixing.
I can't hold on. And then mix a little bit. Oh, that's a bit. And then mix. Gonna get slimy.
That kind of looks like sparkly jelly by now. That looks like sparkly jelly.
You can play with it with your hand already if you want.
Really?
And then just work it through and then you can add more activator if you need to.
Do you think my hands will get? Yuck! I can't. It's gonna stick.
Well, it's slime, isn't it? Do you think it needs more activator in there?
Probably.
Is there much left? You can add more. Keep adding more then.
So,
As they say, apparently you need the whole thing.
this is.
So I'm going to take it off the stick and then you can work it with your hands.
Ooh, is it my turn now?
Yes, wait, hon, it's your turn.
So now I'm gonna do some blue.
Because she's trying to make it purple.
Would you like me to squeeze it for you, Natalia? All of it? I'll do the rest of the colour, okay?
Raph is not happy down there.
She wants to participate. And what other colours do you want to add, Natalia?
Red. By now, because it still wants red. No, this looks fine. It's just getting out.
Maybe take the lid off, sweetheart. And you pour it out
Take off the
faster.
lid?
Oh, I can do it.
So the more you work it, I think the more it's going to thicken.
More sticky.
Move it for you?
Ah. Mommy. Oh, that might be a bit red.
Ew, that's right.
Mommy.
Looking at my
Yes.
slime.
Alright, go.
Mommy.
It's time to make purple. It's kind of turning purple, but kind of green.
I don't like
It kind of looks like a galaxy. Oh, I see some purple mixing in already. Oh,
Well, it's slime for you, isn't it? Should we add some gold in there, Natalia? See what happens?
yep, I think it's gonna. Oh, this kind of looks like a galaxy. I'm gonna try to make some gold with it because I also get some green.
Do you want to put gold in there too?
Yeah.
Alright,
So I get 3 colors too, like this. Oh, the gold.
Keep working it.
I see what colors turning out.
yeah, it's very galaxy.
Oh, it's coming down on my fingers.
There we go. Let's look at it in the sun. Ready? Wow.
I can't
I'm
see
getting a bit better.
sparkles, but
It's not that sticky.
activate.
Mine's finished and it's not that sticky anymore.
Catch all the little.
No, it's like really that
Yeah,
one's
but
like,
it'll work into it as well. Just stick the slime in there. Put it in the bowl and roll it around the bowl, and it'll catch all
I
the
like
little.
this color.
I don't want it. Do you like it?
Yeah.
You ready
Because-
for the activator, Natalia?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Natalia, look at
No, this one's yours.
Oh.
So just pour a little bit at a time, okay?
Yeah.
Yep, and then start mixing it.
Oh, look at this. Mommy, look at
My activator kind of looks watery.
Right.
I finished my slime and it's not that sticky anymore because I've worked through it and
It's kind of getting off the popsicle.
it's gonna turn into mine soon, Natalia. Look at mine, Natalia. It's not sticky.
It's so gooey.
Wanna touch it, Rafi?
Did you see how it slapped?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, is it the same color inside? Or is it the same?
Oh, that might be a mouse.
Oh no! Oh, there.
Alright. Just gotta mix through the rest. Just keep on the
Ah!
Try not spilling it, sweetheart.
Okay. I love
My hands are so tired.
Ew, that's right. Ew.
Yeah.
Wait.
Zoe, I think you need to put your hands in it soon.
I feel like it's finished already.
No, it's not.
Daddy, is it finished?
Oh, to use all of it.
Mm-hmm.
Zoe, you need to work through it now. You need to keep on like mix, mash, putting it between myself. Oh, Natalia, do mix, mash,
Yes,
mash.
it's kind of
Natalia, copy me.
like
Oh, it's like a donut.
donut filling fully.
Donut. And shoot. Throw it in the air. Look, I have my handbag. Oh, it's hard. Smell it. It smells yucky.
Does it smell nice?
No, it smells yucky.
But this one is kind of
Ooh, I broke the donut in half. It's gonna start like getting non-sticky and really jelly-ish. So mine was acting the first couple of times, and then oh, I love your color. It's like a rainbow. This was actually turning out how I liked it to be, and I wanted it to be.
Sure.
Bye.
Thanks for watching slime videos. Make our slimes and describe the slime.